Hey, welcome to Tech Factuala, where you can stay up to date with the latest progress of technologies and gadgets. The new MacBook Air with M1 from Apple redefines the MacBook Air. This new MacBook Air provides pro-grade power to change and often beat Intel-based Windows PCs. But that is not the only feature they announced. If you want to get updated about top technologies, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this in the future. And click that bell icon to stay updated of when we'll post next. Now let us begin with reviewing the MacBook Air M1. On November 17, 2020, the MacBook Air M1 was released and it starts from £999 or $1,599 for its base model in the US, which gives an 8-core Apple M1 processor, a 7-core Apple GPU, 8GB of built-in RAM, and 256GB of storage. The Apple MacBook Air 2020 has an impressive design, a fantastic keyboard, a best-in-class trackpad, and plenty of other features to love, design, and build. For this latest edition, Apple has not externally changed the architecture of the MacBook Air at all. It has the classic tapered design that makes it lower in volume than the MacBook Pro, even though at the thickest point they are around the same depth. It is made up of durable aluminum and has an impeccable finish and fit. There are almost no joins and they are absolutely robust. The keyboard is the latest Magic Keyboard Apple uses, and it feels amazing, comfortable, with good feedback and a nice amount of travel. The trackpad is tall, simple to use, and reacts nicely. A fingerprint sensor is available, and it doubles as a power key, which works well and is convenient. There are two USB-C ports on the left-hand side that literally pull triple duty. They are both Thunderbolt 4 and power ports. This makes it stunningly fast for connecting external drives for networking, and display video to external screens up to 6K resolution. On the other side, there is a 3.5mm headphone jack. The big difference in the design is that there is no fan inside anymore. The MacBook Air M1 gets warm, but not excessively hot. It is noticeably cooler than almost any other laptop. Performance. The performance of the MacBook Air is phenomenal, fueled by the M1 processor and 16GB RAM. For a mid-price, lightweight machine, it is screamingly fast. Its Geekbench 5 scores out of 1,732 in a single core and 7,556 in multi-core give the idea that it is fast and better for multi-core performance than the 16-inch MacBook Pro that costs more than twice as much. Apple promised storage speeds twice as fast, and they delivered. Combined with a very fast storage and a very old processor, users do not even have to wait for things to happen. Open the lid and the screen is already waiting for you. Apps open instantly, file work is lag-free, loading the website is incredibly fast. There is just no compromise for a thin and light laptop. Before we continue, make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more content like this in the future, and click that bell icon to get notified of when we post next. Enjoy the rest. Software. The MacBook Air M1 is running Mac OS 11, or Big Sur, which is designed for the new chip, allowing it to come on as instantly as an iPhone, and helping apps to make the most of the multi-core processor. For the most part, with Mac OS 11, it looks and functions just like every other Mac. But because of the different processor, there are some important variations. Since the M1 chip is designed very differently from Intel chips, all apps will preferably have a custom-built version for the M1 machines. Even Adobe has early versions of Photoshop and Lightroom available. Battery. Apple said it would allow all-day battery life for its M1 chip, and the company has hit that mark. Just believe the hype. If you want a laptop where you just don't have to worry about battery life very much, MacBook Air M1 is for you. Use it for a few hours and drop it by 10% or so, close it on standby, pick it up at the same battery level tomorrow and use it a few times. Maybe charge it once a week. Color. It is available in the same 3 colors that it has been: gold, space gray, and silver. The MacBook Air with M1 is the perfect mix of power and durability and a fanless design. So if you want the fastest, longest-lasting, ultra-thin laptop, the MacBook Air sets a new standard. So this was all about MacBook Air M1. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the Tech Factuala squad and be a part of our channel. Thanks for watching.